Good morning, everyone. Today we are supposed to have a huge snowstorm hit. Right now it's just slightly raining, but it is wet out. So we'll see how running goes. I don't think that the snow is going to start to hit until this afternoon. We'll see if I'm right or not. I love you, Koda. You're a good boy. It's still just wet and rainy, which I'm grateful for. I probably won't have to drive into the snow until this evening, which is good. You can't even see it. I made tomato toast and some fruit for breakfast today. It's one of my other favorite things that I like to eat. I became obsessed with it in the fall when we had a bunch of fresh tomatoes, which is weird because I used to hate tomatoes, but now I love them. So I'm gonna head to work and hopefully the kids are all healthy and happy today and we have a good day. I just made it home, but there's so much snow. Like, my car was buried in it. Anyways, I was going to go to Hayden's today, but it's just not working out that I'm going to go, which isn't my favor because I don't want to drive a half an hour away in this. Yeah. I'm gonna go inside and get warmed up, get dinner. So since I have the night to myself, I'm going to eat part of the cinnamon roll that I've been eating the last couple of days. I'm gonna finish it off, and I'm going to watch the cozy murder mystery movie that I rented the other day from the library. I started watching it, but I'm only like a half an hour in. So I'm gonna finish that and eat my cinnamon roll and wrap some Christmas presents, since I have time for that today. And it should be good. Hopefully the puppies are nice, and then after that I will probably go outside and shovel a little bit because there's a lot of snow. So I bought this reindeer for Coda for Christmas, and Teddy and Isla pulled it out of the bag and have been playing with it. Haven't you, puppies? Yep, we're gonna wrap it up. You guys can have it at Christmas. So I haven't gotten super far in my movie. Amber stopped by to pick up Teddy and was here for a while. But I am going to shovel the driveway before Emily gets off work. It looks like the snow is letting up a little bit, but it's still coming down and will be all night. But I don't want to have to shovel all of it in the morning because that's going to be hard. Well, it's not great, but it's a whole lot better. And will make tomorrow morning a lot easier. Now I'm going to go inside and finish my movie, and then I'll probably shower and get ready for bed. Emily is home now. I finished the movie finally, and she's gonna head to... I did like it for the most part. She's gonna head to Amber's house tonight, but we're gonna do the dog's advent calendars really fast. It's number 9. I wasn't even recording! Oh no! Emily.
I can send you this one if you want.
Yeah, Coda bit my fingers, but he got his treat. I'm gonna head to Amber's house tonight, but we're gonna do the dog's advent calendars really fast. Number 9. Struggling. This is the one Coda already opened a little bit.
Oh, really?
Yeah. That's gonna make it hard to...
Coda, you're backing at the wrong person. Coda, Isla's right here. This is Isla's. Coda. Isla, go up. Good girl. You're so good at that. I was like, wait, I wanted that one.
I wasn't even recording!
Oh no! Oh, I can send you this one if you want. I can go with you.
Coda bit my fingers, but he got his treat. Emily just left to Amberly's house, and I'm gonna do my Frozen advent calendar. So today is number 9. a royal sleepover. Alright, today's a pretty good day. It was better, well, I don't know if it's necessarily better than yesterday. I guess work was better than yesterday, and the kids not being sick today. But I'm gonna go and shower, wash my hair, get ready for bed, because I'll probably have to get up a little bit earlier tomorrow, maybe, or run less. If it keeps snowing, I'll have to shovel again before work, at least my spot in the driveway, since Emily won't be leaving the house tomorrow. But yeah, that's all for today. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.